So another important interfacing experiment, which is known as determine digital output for a given analog input using internal ADC of ARM controller. It means analog to digital converter. We can introduce the analog input and we'll getting an output DC digital output. So same principles you can use, include LPC 214 into H, whatever the informations to be stored in the library, these ARM processor informations in the header file. Include the standard input output. These are the C language declarations. You are already familiar about. Define the 3.3 reference voltages. How much voltage you required, you can make the reference voltage in analog input. Define full scale 0 into 3FF, a 10 bit ADC or a 16 bit ADC, you can declare it 10 bit full scale. So unsigned integer data LCD 0, I is equal to 0 and termination the value n equal to 0. Unsigned integer you can declare it in C language. Analog to digital converter value at beginning you can 0 and temporary ADC is equal to 0, temporary 1, temporary 2. You can declare it analog to digital 8 characters. Whatever the things you have to be declare it. Plot the temperature and ADC 8 characters. Then unsigned character values 15 you can declare according to the capacities. Flag 0 into FF. Unsigned character pointer array you can declare as the digital analog to digital converter outputs. Unsigned character then PTR display A as the input analog informations. Void CD initialize the void and void write, then clear the display, then void delay you can declare the delay between each signal. LCD communications, then void WR DNYD should declare all the information related to analog and digital output informations. Here also you can declare pin select 1 in the ARM processor 0 into 4000 AD 4 pin is selected. So input output 0 directives you can provide the output lines for LED 0 into 00000 FC. Make a delay, provide a delay between each signal 3200. LCD initialization, LCD initialize, provide the delays, then clear the display, whatever the information is there you can clear it and provide a delay, certain amount of delay you can mention here 3200. Then informations should be display PTR, temporary 1 is equal to whatever the information 0 into 80 LCD communication and delay you can provide 800. Put it in the loop. PTR 0, then temporary is equal to analog to digital transmissions LCD whatever the data, so increase that values PTR plus plus. If PTR1 is equal to array, display the starting address and second line, temporary 1 is equal to 0 into C0. LCD.com, delay provide the 800, while PTRL that is equal to 0, then temporary 1 is equal to PTR. LCD data has to be interchanged information, end of the loop. While infinite loop temporary equal to 0, then analog to digital values you can declare it 0, so you can write it AD 0 for clear control CR 0 into 1 to 0004. These are the control register for ADC, you can declare it AD0. While temporary of ADC 0 GDR 0 into 80000, that is to check the interrupt bit. ADC value you can declare it AD analog digital 0 GDR, reading the ADC values. If ADC value is greater than or equal to 1, ADC value you can declare 0 into 00003FF. Temporary is equal to plot the values. If the flag lists the flag, and flag is equal to 0 into 00, put it in the loop. Then same information flow is continuous. Begin the for loop. ADC I is equal to ADC value. Similarly, you can exchange this information in the form of temporary. You can declare it a temporary. Loop will be closed. Loop braces. Else, if n is equal to 7, then for loop should be I equal to n. N is greater than 0. I minus. Decrement the loop. Then analog to digital converter, that is equal to I, that's equal to ADC I minus 1. Likewise, you can declare these C coding. ADC 1n is equal to ADC 1n minus 1, n equal to n minus 1. So these are the loop coding techniques to converted the analog information into digital. Declare this temporary 0, then convert these ADC values equal to 0, put it in the loop. Temporary not plus or minus equal to ADC 1, and ADC value is equal to ADC I. Close the loop. Similarly, temporary is equal to temporary C8, ADC values is equal to ADC. Then sprint variable percentage of for 0.2 floating point, you can declare it in the style of the printing, string print. Temporary 1 is equal to 0 into 89 LCD.com. Delay, provide the delays. Pointer 1 variable is equal to 1, while pointer 1 not equal to 0, then temporary is equal to pointer 1, then LCD data as pointer is increased by 1, pointer plus. Temporary 1 is equal to 0 into C9 LCD dot communication, and provide the amount of delay. We are providing 1200. Then pointer 1 is equal to variable, while pointer 1 is not equal to 0, then begin the loop. Temporary 1 is equal to pointer 1 LCD data 0, pointer plus. End of while loop. Then LCD initialization. How the LCD is to be initialized, how we will observe the output. Temporary 2 is equal to 0 into 30. Write the control, delay 800 if can provide it. Then temporary 2 is equal to 0 into 30. Another code, write the control, provide the delay 800, temporary 2 is equal to 0 into 30. So likewise you have to write the code and provide the certain amount of delay. Continuously the information is converted. Analog information is converted, but input you can provide the analog information, and that same value is converted into digital. You can provide the delay. Then temporary 1 is equal to 0 into 28. Then LCD.com, I can provide the delay of 800. Temporary 1 is equal to 0 into 0C. LCD-com, delay 800. Temporary 1 is equal to 0 into 06. LCD.com, delay is 800. Temporary is equal to 0 into 80. LED-com, delay 800. Void LCD.com, temporary 2 is equal to temporary 1 and 0 into F0. So write the control, temporary 2 is equal to temporary 1 and 0x0f. Temporary 2 is equal to temporary 2, which is less than the value of 4. Write the control and provide the delay of 500. Command the nibble. Nibble means 4 bits output routine. Wide, write control wide, write command. Then input output 0, clear the information 00FC, clear the port lines. Then input output can be set at temporary 2, assign the value to port lines. Then input output clear 0 into 004, clear the bit RS is equal to 0, IO 0 set 0 into 008, then delay 10, then IO 0 clear 0 into 008. So data nibble output routine. Output can be observed and declared here. IO input output 0, clear this information, clear the port lines. Then input output set a temporary to assign the value of port lines. Then IO set is equal to 0 into 0004, set bit RS is equal to 1. Then input output is equal to set 0 into 0008, enable you can make it 1, delay provide 10. Then input output clear 0 into 0008. So likewise the output can be observed, data output routine which also output high nibble first and lower nibble next, wide LCD data wide, temporary 2 is equal to temporary 1 and 0 into f. So write the dn, temporary 2 is equal to temporary 1 and 0f, temporary 2 is equal to temporary 2 which is less than equal to 4, write the denominator values and make a delay. Similarly, wide delay unsigned integer r1, then begin unsigned integer r, put it in the loop for r is equal to 0, r is less than or equal to r1, r plus plus, increase the loop, wide clear display temporary 1 is equal to 0 into 01, LCD tab com, then delay provide the delay. So in this way we can write the coding for generating the analog to digital converter. So input can be, analog input can be converted into digital output. So it ends.
Let us start another important interfacing experiment which is known as analog to digital conversions. See, first you observe the coding. I already explained about the coding each line by line. So what I am starting to demonstrate, we will observe the results, and before observing the result how we will connect the hardware part. Just one by one I will explain. First you connect the power supply is to the power supply port is there, through that you can connect this power supply. Then afterwards you can connect the COM means communication port to the central processing unit, CPU or computer. Just you observe these connections properly. Afterwards we can connect the microcontroller to the interfacing board. Through that bus you can connect properly here. Afterwards you go through this and you can fix this port. Then you check it whether these ports are properly connected or not. If the connection is perfect, then you will start to observe the result. Before observing the result, I will explain first how we will going to observe this. Look at this input display. First one is input analog. Analog is 1.07 volts is there. Our aim is to analog to digital converter. So first we will give the analog input in the form of voltage. At present it is 1.07 volts is there. Then its equivalent digital output is 14D, that is represents in hexadecimal 14D decimal numbers. So in digital form, so if you observe here is a potentiometer. Potentiometer we can vary this. Here the voltage is changes. So 1.08 14E output of digital output. So go on changes. Then you will observe the results on display board. See here, by changing this knob you can change the results with the help of potentiometer. So what you will do, usual steps you can follow that. First you have written the code, afterwards open that FlashMagic, then browse it, select the particular experiment ADC next file, then you can start dump that code that process is continuous. See, observe that dumping the code in embedded system, then file is created. So you, after that, you observe the results. You can change the input with the help of potentiometer. Simultaneously you are observe the output. Just I will change this potentiometer. See here, 2.14 volts. Then its decimal output equivalent is 2296. Likewise 296. Likewise, by varying the potentiometer, analog input voltage is changes. Observe here, 2.48 volts. The output decimal equivalent is 301 to 302. In between there, 30E, 2.52 volts, 30E output. So change this continuously, you will get the variable output. In this way, we can observe the results analog to digital converter.